Snelling, San Joaquin River Canyon, and Upper San Joaquin River. Issued at 5:12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm will impact central Madera. The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Tulare County in Central California, Central Fresno County in Central California, until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Orange Cove, 25 miles east of Clovis, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orange Cove, Grand Grove, Pinehurst, Yokuts Valley, Azalea Campground, Sunset Campground, Grand Grove Visitor Center, and Crystal Springs Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.